Hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well. What about you?
I'm doing great, thank you. Really alright. So it's a first meeting. Would you like to introduce yourself?
Yes. Myself, Nageshwar, and I completed my MCA, and I'm currently working as a developer in IT company. And my hobbies are listening music and learning new things. And as usual, if I will get more time, visiting new places.
Like, where do you
Yeah,
live?
I'm from Hyderabad.
Okay. Okay, so Hyderabad is one of the IT hubs, right? I learned about it
Yes.
at our
Yeah.
school.
Yes. Yes.
We have a chapter called the Industries.
Yeah. Oh, I didn't get you. Will you repeat again?
We have we also learned about to some IT hubs.
Yes, yes, yeah. It's day to day gradually it's developing in Hyderabad. Yeah. It's a very high tea hub, and apart from Hyderabad, Bangalore is main, and from Bangalore and Hyderabad, yeah, now Chennai and Pune. Yes.
I agree. I agree on that. So, can you please introduce yourself?
Yes, I done. It's your turn.
Oh, yes, I forgot about that. Sorry. So my name is Aarna Shukla. I'm 9 years old. I study in class before. I study in a public school. I live in the district of Bhopal, the capital of Madhya Pradesh, and so I have a YouTube channel called the Aarna. Where I upload conversational English videos. This is all about me.
Yeah, it's cool. But how long have been using this application to speak, to learn to speak in English?
Since 2020, since 2024.
Oh, it's almost 1 year. From last 1 year onwards, I think you have been here to improve your English language skills.
Yes, you're right.
That's fantastic.
Okay, so, can you please tell me more about your profession?
Uh, yeah, I didn't get you that last word.
Can you please tell me about your profession?
My profession, yeah, I am working as a developer. Yeah, I have 8 years of experience as a developer, and I am working uh, in to solve the manufacturing solutions. Actually, I am a full stack developer, Java with other technologies, front end technologies. Yeah, it's uh, it's all about my profession.
Okay, so, what's your strength and your weakness?
My strength is actually my confidence. I am very confident about what I know. Previously, also, why I didn't show much interest on my language skills is as I know I am a technical guy. I thought that I no need to improve my English language skills like a fluent speaker. If I am able to understand what someone is saying and if I can replay to them, that's enough. But as I understand now, I need to, oh yeah, I need to improve my language skills to grow in my career. When I thought that this is the backlog to grow in my career, I will compulsory put my efforts to learn that skill or language or anything. That's why I am more confident. I am a very more confident guy to do the thing. If I don't know, I can guarantee say that very confidently I don't know. I can't do that one. That is the open mind. That is also a good strength. And weakness means I believe very speed. If someone, even unknown person or anyone, if I will meet, yeah, I deadly believe people, and that's my strength and weakness.
Okay, so what strengths do you see here in the Hyderabad and people living in Hyderabad?
Yeah, actually, sometimes it seems that your voice is choppy and breaking. That's why. Can you repeat again? Sorry for asking.
Okay, so what strength do you see in people living in Hyderabad?
Oh, in Hyderabad. Okay, the people. Yeah, as I said that the people are confident, and very they are very good enough they to complete the tasks, and very motivated. Actually, people are very motivated, and yeah, I can't say more about anything, because of as I observed, yeah, I done.
Okay, so what would you like to change in Hyderabad?
Sorry. What would you like in Hyderabad? Something you asked.
What would you like to change in Hyderabad?
Oh, okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, that's a fantastic question. Actually, just people need to work on Hyderabad traffic. A few times, what will happen is they didn't people didn't follow the rules. If they will follow the rules of the traffic, and yeah, we can reach our destination very speed. But few people will take this opposite roads, and crossing that pedestrians will cross anywhere, and they don't follow the zebra crossing. Where the zebra crossing is there, they need to cross the road there, but they didn't fall anywhere. They will try to cross the road. If the vehicles are coming very fast or slow, they didn't understand. They are trying to cross the road. Some road, what are the rules we have? The traffic rules, if you will follow well, then I think the traffic will reduce. That I would like to change. And apart from that, without any reason, people will horn like anything in the cities. Even if they know that the traffic signal is red, can't go crossing the red signal, even though the people will horn like anything. That is very bad habit, as I know. Some rule has to come to stop like that. If someone, no need to horn. If anything is required, then only we need to blow the horn. Apart from that, that cleaning wise, if you will come, yeah, the Hyderabad is, I can say that it's a very clean city. But sometimes if it is rains in few places, that will be the situation is very horrible. Why? Because of that is also a, if people will take care of rain session, that municipality and everything, if it is clean, then yeah, I think we don't struggle with the rainwater. But in few places we can't do anything anyway. The water, where the water will go, wherever the slope is there, the water will go. But we need to take the precaution before the rain session. What will happen exactly if rain will be more and more? Yeah, I need to, yeah, just we have to change these things. And in few places, just like if any projects are going on, flyovers or anything are going on, then On the roads the dust will be like anything. They don't take any precautions to make to reduce the dust or anything. The roads are very bad when the projects are going on in the middle of the road. They don't take care of the who are going on the roads. That we need to change. When we are giving to the construction project to someone, we have to strictly mention that the roads needs to be shoot while wherever you are using that is separated from other people who are going on the road. The dust is very horrible. If somewhere is the project is constructing in the cities, if you will go to near that place, we can't afford it. If you will go on the bike, that will be a very horrible situation. You will come with, if you will go with black shirt, you will come with white shirt.
Okay, so like, what's the education system like in your place?
Yes, coming to education system, yeah, it is pretty good, but I can't say it's not 100%. But if you will take other states, that's not as good as Hyderabad even now. But as I know that that practical knowledge is required more and more than the theoretical knowledge. Even from Hyderabad on also on from Telangana state, lot of 100 people, thousand lakhs of people are coming yearly, engineers, but uh, they are not effort to do any work. Why? Because of they don't have the practical knowledge, and the 4 years where they are spending, the time is not telling to them, or if you will work somewhere, this needs to accomplish those things. They are not learning. Only theoretically they are learning the things, and they are getting the graduation certificate. Yeah, but that's not the 4 years are uh, just like we are wasting on not learning the practical knowledge, I can say.
And so, can you please tell me what would you like to add in your in the education system?
Yeah, actually, I would like to add practical knowledge. And if you want to become something, if you want to become a doctor, an architecture, or engineer, or a scientist, anything, if you have a goal, or if you want to go towards that goal, here there is no course like that. Everything is you have to complete btech or graduation or pg, and then you have to look for the particular thing. If you want to become a scientist or anything, if you want to get a good government job, first we need to complete the graduation. Till the graduation, people will not learn what is their goal. Even till 10th class also, we don't have any specific subject. If you want to become a doctor, till 10th class, until 10th class we need to study that all the subjects, and then we have to move. Even if you will move to some other subjects in the inter, that will be also not useful to your goal few times. Like that, what is happening is that the education is not goal related. It's education is education. In your life this is required, but if you want to become a something, that you have to do, that will not come from our education 100%, I can say.
Okay, so can you please tell me what's the full form of IT?
Interest information technology.
Okay, so do you have any other questions for me?
Yes, yeah. You said you are fourth standard, is it?
Yes.
Yeah, I need to ask. I would like to ask one question. Yeah, what you are thinking? Where do we have to change in your education system to improve better and better?
Well, actually, I which we're young, good to we change education system, but as I can say, the education system is a little good here.
Yeah, that's yeah. If you will think that is good, then only you will be sustained. Yeah, I think you are from Bhopal. Yeah, can you tell any visiting places are much interested to you in Bhopal?
Last time interesting places. Just give me a little moment. Okay, so some interesting places. So there some interest. There is full of lakes and mountains. And some places like Mano Sangrahalaya, it's like a museum, which has it shows the village houses of different states, and also the Van Vihar. It's a zoo. Everyone knows about it. It's very famous in our place, and the regional science center is also very famous.
Okay. Would you like to visit new places?
Yes.
Okay. Till now, how many cities you covered, and what are the spiritual places you covered?
Well, some places that I've been to Uttarakhand, and I also been to Delhi and Noida. I also been to Gujarat and some districts like Ahmedabad, Dwarka, and Somnath.
Oh, okay, okay.
Then
Anytime
and
did you have a
Haridwar.
chance to visit
Kerala.
Kerala and Tirupati?
Well, yes, I've been to Kerala.
Okay. Yeah, but your pronunciation is actually, yeah, how you are practicing on your pronunciation. Actually, this is yeah, your pronunciation is just like I think US yeah guys, is it? I don't know exactly, but yeah, usually that pronunciation is different from us. I think you are practicing this pronunciation, is it?
Yes, I'm practicing pronunciation.
Yeah, yeah. Through how is there? Are you taking any courses, or did you join any institute to get this pronunciation?
No, I didn't join any institute. I practiced myself at home.
Oh, that's very fantastic. Yeah. Yeah. Do you want to ask any questions or based about the region or Hyderabad or anything?
Actually, I you don't have any questions, so I think I'll wrap up the session because I think it's almost lunchtime.
Sure, sure. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you very much, Rina.
I hope thank you for your precious time. I hope we meet again some other day. Bye.
Yes. Bye bye.